Hello, okay. Before we get very rudely interrupted because my storage stopped on my phone, so then on to the next three, which is this one, which is Sand Guy, I think. Whatever. Okay. Growlithe, which I have actually really wanted one of these, so I'm glad that I got that one. And then another one of these. Okay, this is second to the last one, so we are really close to being to the end of this. So sadly, this video might not be very long, but I mean, it's just kind of part 2 of part 1, kind of messing up. We got another pure pincher, maybe. We got another Spyro. And we got another one of these guys. Okay, so we are on to the very last one of these Pokemon pack openings. But, if you guys want more of these, or if you guys want a different kind of card or something, like Yu-Gi-Oh! Or something else, just let me know in the comments down below. And also leave a comment down below if you want me to do more of these. But I'll just get along with, doing these. Trainer card, Ripple. We got this one. And then we got another one of these. And also, if you guys want one of the shinies that, I, did, then, or found, then leave a comment down below on which one you want, so I know how, which winners to pick and whatnot.